Acquiring Adsense approval for your WordPress website is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. To begin, launch Google Chrome and type Google Chrome and type Google Adsense login into the search bar. Click on the Sign into Google Adsense option and proceed by entering your login credentials. Assuming you're logged in, once you're on the Google Adsense website, locate and select the Add Site button to input your website details. After providing your website's information, such as its URL, you'll need to navigate to the Enter Information section to provide your personal details. Choose the individual option and fill in your address, city, postal code, and phone number. Once you've entered these customer details, click the Explore Ad Settings button. Within the Ad Settings, enable Ad Settings. Now it's time to access your WordPress website. Log in by entering your username and password, then click the Login button. Once you're in your WordPress website's dashboard, select the plugin option. Click on Add New, and in the search bar, type Insert Headers and Footers. Locate the Install Now button and activate the plugin. You'll then find the Activate button. Click on it to incorporate the header and footer. Returning to the Google AdSense website, click on Let's Go. Now click on copy the provided code. Go back to your WordPress dashboard and click on Settings, then choose WUP Headers and Footers in the header section. Paste the code you copied earlier. To save these changes, click on Save Changes. Now head back to the Google AdSense website and select Next. Finally, click on Review Request. Your AdSense request will be under Review Request. It will be under review, and typically within 24 hours, it should be approved. And that's it. You've successfully obtained AdSense approval for your WordPress website